Racing just is started. We have Dagaran Kid. First to show quickness at the start. Or that last is Darori inside Sir Patrick. Enigmatic Coquette. Then next on line is Marty Gibson. Then followed over by Showman. And on the outside, naglalabyog the real thing. While Executive Order raised the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Sir Patrick takes command by about 4 lengths. Ward at last is right behind in second. And on the outside third comes Coquette. Then followed over by Dagatan Kid. Then next on that is Marty Gibson. Naglalabyog Showman, Executive Order. Enigmatic comes next while the real thing now racing in last back to the leader. The lead now belongs to Coquette. By what knows, Dagatan Kid is down on the inside. Then followed over by Smarty Gibson. Word at last, sorry, outside. Naglalabyog, now coming closer. Then next on Lani Showman, Executive Order. Then followed over by the real thing, Enigmatic, while Sir Patrick now racing in less. And as they swing for home, we got Dagatan Kid by about 2 lengths. Coquette in second, Naglalabyog still in third with about 100 meters of the race. We have Dagatan Kid, followed by Coquette in second, and finally the program opener, Dagatan Kid. Coquette, close, Naglalabyog, and Executive Order, then comes Showman, Word at last.